Hello and welcome to this video about GCSE Science at Turner Free School. I'm Dr. Barnes and I'm going to talk you through why we study science at all, what studying science will look like at GCSE and what are your options. So let's begin. So let's start with why learn science, apart from the fact that you have to. Science is one of the three core subjects along with English and maths, and so everyone will be taking science, but why is it important? Well, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered why do chilies burn even though they're cold? Have you ever wondered, can a coin falling from the top of the Empire State Building really kill you? Or that if you sneeze with your eyes open, can they pop out? Maybe you haven't wondered these. But are you interested to know that the liquid inside young coconuts can be used as a substitute for blood plasma? Or that if the world was tilted 1 degree more either way, the planet would hardly be habitable? Or that you are 1 centimeter taller in the morning than in the evening? Maybe you're interested, maybe not. But are you considering a career in policing or forensics, medicine or healthcare, product design, veterinary science, engineering, music production, as well as many more such as astrophysics, zoology, marine biology, being a pilot, any career in law, many, many more careers that science is a useful stepping stone to and that provides useful skills for those careers? Maybe not. Maybe you simply want to develop or evidence your skills in data analysis and processing, or in problem solving, or the skills in predicting trends, or just your skills in being able to research independently and in an organized manner. Or maybe it's your skills in writing reports or in technical processes. All of these are transferable skills that will increase your employability no matter what career you choose. So what will the course be like and how will you be assessed? So the course is run in three different disciplines: biology, chemistry and physics. And there'll be topics in each of these. In biology, we study living organisms and how they're organized. For example, looking at cells and cell division, or photosynthesis and respiration, or evolution and adaptations. In chemistry, we study matter and how it reacts with each other, looking at changes in energy or the structure of matter and bonding, or chemical analyses, or more environmental chemistry, such as the Earth's atmosphere and resources. And in physics, we explore the energy and the forces to do with all the things that happen around us, whether it's the energy resources that we use to get our electricity, or how circuits themselves are built, or whether it's radioactivity. There's all sorts of topics in biology, chemistry, and physics, and that's why we will require 5 lessons a week of science. There's also 21 core practical experiments, as well as many other experiments that we'll choose to do on top of these ones that we will all be doing. And you can see a sample of them here in biology, chemistry, and physics. And many students find the experiments to be one of the most fun parts of science itself. I'm going to talk to you now about combined science, as that will be the default that everyone will be doing at GCSE. So combined science has awards 2 GCSEs. So that's a big distinction. Along with English that also awards 2 GCSEs, science awards 2 GCSEs as a default for combined science. And in sitting science, you will sit 6 exams. There'll be 2 for biology, 2 for chemistry, 2 for physics. But all those scores are combined together, hence it's called combined science, and together you'll be awarded 2 GCSEs. So in a way, each paper is kind of worth a third of a GCSE. And each paper will be 1 hour and 15 minutes long. So that's combined science. But what if I really like science? Or what if you want to push yourself and really stand out in a very competitive world where you want to really make that difference and prove that you go above and beyond what is needed? Well, if that's the case, if any of those ring true for you, well, then separate science might be the option for you. So if you pick separate science, this time you'll be awarded 3 GCSEs, not 2. And you'd get a GCSE for each of biology and chemistry and physics. And those papers will be independent of each other. Your scores in biology won't affect your chemistry GCSE. There'll still be 6 exams, 2 for each discipline, biology, chemistry, and physics. But this time the papers will be worth half a GCSE each. And each paper will be a bit longer at 1 hour and 45 minutes. Of course, that involves learning more science and needing more lessons to do that. So there'll be many additional topics and content. You'll get to explore all sorts of extra learning about the brain, about space, and there'll be whole new topics in separate science, as well as additional content within pre-existing kind of topics for combined science. There'll be additional core practicals that we'll do as well. And this counts as an option. You will need additional lessons each week to complement the 5 lessons that are standard. But if this makes sense to you, if science is something that either you're passionate about or contributes to a career that you're thinking of, or you just really want to stand out and push yourself, then consider separate science. If you'd like to know more about the distinctions between combined science and separate science, please speak to your science teacher, or you're free to send me an email as well. Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your day.